for $10.
What is $10?
$10 for shoot, 10 shoot.
Yeah, but how long? It says 4,500 here. That's more than $10. How much? How long time? 1 hour? Half an hour?
No, 1 hour for yeah. This one I don't know how. You want to go there?
But if you don't know, why do? How long?
Right. I think 10 một lót mà.
Yeah, but how many minutes? How long can I shoot?
Shoot you 10 for
10 minutes for.
no, for 10 một lót for 10 shot. 10 shot, 20 shot.
Okay, all right.
10 shot.
$10. Okay, I understand. But where is it?
Area Katu. Area Katu.
Area 2.
Area Katu.
Arigato 2.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure about.
I want to use. I want to use the Glock and this one Glock and this one Glock. This one doesn't interest me. No, maybe this one and this one as well. This one, the revolver. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but no, I will. Do you have a number? Do you have a number I can call? Or something?